Welcome. If you want to connect AirPods to your LG V50 ThinQ, at the first you have to open the charging case of this AirPods, then rotate it, click on this button and then holding it. So click, hold. We have to reset our AirPods and be sure that they are disconnected from other devices. We have to still keep holding until this indicator flash on the red color a few times. Okay, right now just release the button and close the case. Let's move to our LG, turn on Bluetooth, click and hold to enter Bluetooth settings, close this window. Let's refresh and open charging case of our AirPods, then click to connect. And right now we have to close the case, turn off Bluetooth, turn it on one more time and open charging case right now. Click on the AirPods Pro. And as you can see right now we are able to connect them. And as you can see right now they are connected, so we can put one of the AirPods to the ear. And noise cancelling is working, so we can just easily use our AirPods connected to the LG V50 ThinQ. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!